What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today let's talk all about towels. Now, if you're into detailing, the best accessory and tool that you could ever have to detail your car is a great set of microfiber towels. And here at Masterson's Car Care, we have every towel you could possibly imagine to detail any type of vehicle because we love microfibers, and microfibers really do get the job done. Now today we're going to talk about all the differences between the microfibers, how to select the right towel for the right job, and what the difference is between all these microfiber towels. And if you want to pick up your own set of microfiber towels, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now let's talk about all the differences between our towels today. Now, if you want to get a great set to start out with, basic microfiber drying towels or used towels, you're going to want to go with a set of our original microfiber drying towels. Now, these are the basic towel that you need to get started with detailing. They're a 16 by 16 size, and they're 70-30 blend. Now, all of our towels that we sell here are 70-30 blend, and they're much better than an 80-20 blend. If you go to the big box stores, you're going to get 80-20 blended towels, and they're hard and stiff and don't last as long as 70-30 blended microfiber. Now, these are 70% polyester, so that means they're not going to become as hard and brittle as 80% polyester. Now, these towels are great. They're a 16 by 16 size. They fold into a perfect square. They have two sides, so you have a little long nap side on one side, a short nap side for buffing on the other, and they have a durable nylon edge. These are the great basic towel that you need to get any job done, whether it's buffing, polishing, basic detailing, quick wipe down, cleaning wheels, tires, any type of job. These towels are going to be the basic towel that you need to get the job done. Now, we have these in a lot of different colors. We got these in green, blue, red, yellow, and then we also have an indigo color. These are to color code your towels. Now, here at Masterson's Car Care, we love color coding our towels. It helps you keep organized and keep your towels on the right specific job for your vehicle. So I like to use the green towels for our waterless washing and our exterior detailing. I like to use our blue towels for our glass cleaning. I like to use our red towels when I'm cleaning engines and wheels and tires. I like to use my yellow towels for interior cleaning and leather cleaning. And then we also have another blue indigo towel here. And this is what I like to use to clean tinted windows or extremely dirty windows that might have like vapor smoke or cigarette smoke or vape residue on the inside. Vape residue really does ruin the inside of windows on tint. And we use these towels to make sure that we don't contaminate our other towels with that oily chemical that might happen to become removed from the window itself. So after you got your full set of our 16 by 16 original towels, that's the basic towels that you need to get any job done, you might want to step it up to some silk-lined microfibers. Now here we have a lot of silk-lined microfibers. This is our 16 by 16 blue fluffy silk-lined microfiber. These are a true double-sided with an extra long side on one and then an extra short side on the other with a silk lining. These are 16 by 16. These are great for all basic types of detailing, and also whether you're doing buffing or polishing on a nice high-end vehicle. Now, my favorite types of towels are our superior line of towels. These are actually a 16 by 24 towel. You notice they're much bigger than our 16 by 16 towel. I'll hold up both right here. And you can actually see the difference. You're actually getting more towel for the buck when you get these superior silk line towels. Now, these superior silk line towels, they're just like our fluffy towels. They got a long nap on one side and a short nap on the other. The short nap is a great way to use to buff off waxes. I like to use the short nap side. It really buffs off waxes. Or if you got something stuck on the paint, the short nap is a little bit stronger to buff it off or take off leftover wax residue or even polish. Now, these superior silk-lined towels come in a lot of different colors. They come in the blue and the red, and then we also got them with the green and the yellow pattern. These are really cool. We even have them in the red and purple. This is great. We have a lot of different colors. These are so you can color code your towels. And we also have the blue with the gold. So you got a huge selection of towels that you could get right here. And you could have a huge variety of towels to get your detailing jobs done. Let's set these down over here. And over here we have a black tuxedo towel. These are great for buffing extra fine cars where you want a nice black towel. So you might see any wax residue that's been removed. These are an amazing towel as well. And then let's move on to some more higher end towels. Up here, this is called a two-face plush towel. Now, as you can see, it's black on one side and red on the other, and it's extra thick. If you could feel this in person, you'd know this is a super thick towel. I like keeping one of these in the car to cover my shifter, cover it out of the sun, to keep my shift knob on my manual transmissions cool. Also, I like using this to keep in the car to wipe out any coffee that might drip. This is a great towel for luxury detailing. Now, let's move over here to our drying towels. Now, if you're doing detailing, you're gonna wanna select the right drying towel for your job. A lot of people really love this drying towel. This is our great basic drying towel. This is our 24 by 36 original orange drying towel, our big orange drying towel. Now, this is a extra soft weave. As you can see, it's extra fluffy, and this is a great basic drying towel to really dry your vehicle. I love this towel. Now, if you really want a more premium towel, I would step it up to our blue extra fluffy plush blue blazing drying towel. Now, the blue blazing drying towel is extra plush. This thing is plush. You could really feel the weight on this, and this towel will absorb a full gallon of water. So you can fold it, you can dry with it. I like to leave it extra big and place it down on the car and just let it absorb water. I love this towel, and this is gonna be the best drying towel you'll ever use. If you wanna go extra big, you could step it up to our big Blizzard drying towel. This is a massive 52 by 36 inches. Check this thing out. This is just fantastically big. It's extra white, and it's got dual sides too. If you notice, one side is a little bit longer, and then the back side is really short. So you can actually buff with this towel as well. This is great to cover your back seat if you have kids, or if you have pets, or if you're taking cargo and you want to cover your leather, make sure it doesn't get scratched up. This is a great drying towel. Remember, you can find everything that we talk about on our website, mastersonswax.com. We have some more towels up here. These are our blue or our black and red silk-lined microfiber. These are very similar to the white or the white tuxedo towel. If you like the red one, go with the red. If you like the white, go with the white. Those are both great choices to be able to detail your vehicle. So now over here, I like to move over to the extra fluffy side. These are our extra fluffy edgeless towels. Now, we also sell edgeless towels here at Masterson's Car Care, and these are actually an extra fluffy long nap. So you see how long the nap is. These are great for trapping dust, trapping dirt, and they're extra soft. So if you have a black car with softer paint, a Porsche, a Subaru, you might want to use one of these extra fluffy red towels. These are great for absorbing dirt and also moisture from the vehicle. They are so absorbent. And these ones actually are laser cut. So they're laser cut on a machine where there's no edge. Over here you can compare, this is a towel with a nylon sewn edge. And you can see there's a nylon sewn edge. And then these ones have no edge. It's like completely cut off. The microfibers go all the way to the edge. This is a great towel if you want to do extra fine detailing on your vehicle. Love that towel. Now, there's a couple more towels we got here. These is called a waffle weave drying towel. So if you're looking to dry your vehicle, this is a waffle weave drying towel. Waffle weave drying towels are for absorbing maximum amount of water. This towel could dry like 3 SUVs. It's that absorbent. Now, what it uses is waffle weave technology. So if you see right here, you see all the waffle patterns right there. All of those little squares absorb 10 times their weight in water. So you're gonna put this on the vehicle and it's gonna absorb the water and pull off the moisture off the vehicle and leave a perfectly streak-free shine. Love that towel. We also make that towel in a glass cleaning towel as well. So we got it in a blue and a red. These are 16 by 24. These are great for cleaning glass because they're gonna absorb moisture on the glass and leave a streak-free finish. And that nice waffle weave pattern really scrubs away any streaks off the glass. These are great towels for that as well. Now, finally, let's talk about some microfiber accessories. Down here at the bottom, we got some microfiber accessories, and these are applicator pads. Now, a lot of people don't realize that you can actually purchase microfiber applicator pads that are just as soft as the towels, and they can absorb moisture and also spread wax, sealant, glaze, polish the paint. You can use these by hand to remove swirl marks and scratches. These are a very good applicator pad, and it's a great tool. I always recommend to have premium applicator pads. I like these rectangle applicator pads because they have a foam core, and the foam core really keeps the sponge in your hand. It gives me good ergonomics, and it makes it absorbable and washable. I like to use the blue ones for the outside of the car. I like to use the yellow ones right here for doing leather and fabric. If I'm cleaning fabric, I might have to scrub a sensitive fabric, or I'm gonna apply leather conditioner. I like to use these products right here. And then the black ones I like to use for applying dressing to trim. So if you have black plastic trim that might get dirty, or tires, I like to use these to apply on the tires. And we also got a third one right here. This is a microfiber core base into a sponge, and this is for scrubbing off bugs. So this is a different type of microfiber sewn in with more polyester to scrub away dirt and grime and bugs on bumpers and like undercarriages. I really like this. This is a great tool. Now remember, if you guys choose the best microfibers, you want to make sure you care for them properly. So that's why we have over here our Masterson Microfiber Wash and Restore. So it doesn't matter what microfiber towel you buy. You want to make sure that you always wash them properly. And we recommend to use our Masterson's Microfiber Wash and Restore because this is going to remove the old polish, the old wax, the dirt, the grease, the grime from the towels, and it's going to restore the finish. I've been using this product for years, and it keeps my towels looking great no matter what. You put them in the washer, you run them on hot water, you use our Masterson's Microfiber Wash and Restore to remove all the heavy dirt, the grime, the old wax, the old polish, and your towels, they're going to become more absorbent and perform better. Remember, you don't want to use fabric softener and you don't want to use standard laundry detergent on your microfiber. Always use professional grade microfiber cleaning products like our Masterson's Microfiber Wash and Restore. So there we go, guys. Now you know everything about our full selection of microfibers. If you're going to make one great purchase in tools and accessories for your detailing, I recommend purchase a great set of microfiber towels. It's going to give you the best results. You're going to have the best shine out there, and you're going to keep your detailing going great for years, because when you have the best products, your car is going to clean easier and you're going to get the job done faster and spend more time on the road. So there we go, guys. If you want to pick up more of our microfiber accessories and towels, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. I'm Greg. I'm going to take off. We'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.